Ar-Rahman Ar-Raheem. Power and mercy. After establishing God as Lord of the world, with power that rules over all creation, the verse mentioned other two attributes: the most gracious, possessing a broad mercy for everyone in existence; the most merciful, offering a focused, special mercy that encourages believers to obey Him. This combination of power and mercy acts both as warning against sin and as a gentle encouragement to follow His guidance. Reflections and lessons. 1. Balance of power and kindness. When leading or making decisions, balance firmness with empathy. 2. Embrace the idea that mercy should be extended universally, much like Allah's general mercy. 3. Know that those who follow good guidance receive special attention and care.